crazy bunch. Right, in the second location up in North Wales, excuse me, eating a boiled sweet. So we're just going to go in and just film. Well, we just passed this wasn't on our list, so we're just going to take some photos, do a little bit of filming, and it's just like a shell, I think, really, but it's still worth it. So fingers crossed you enjoy this video. Okay, I know now how to flip the phone around without losing my footage, without stopping. Let's see if this, there we go. Okay, let's have a little look. Oh, as you can see, I nearly got caught on the brambles. There's a lot of cars going past mine, but let's have a little look in there.
There's like machinery stuff for cattle.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Okay, so, oh my God. So this is obviously where they would, I think my friend just said milking the cows. Wow. I can hear, sounds like a car is parked outside. I can hear something. They can't be telling us off, and there's nothing here. We're not doing any damage. Just want to take some photos, that's all. I can definitely hear some vehicle. Just checking if there's any cars out there. I can hear something, but... So this obviously was quite a big working farm, from what I can see. Making sure now I'm zoomed out. This wasn't on the list, as I said, we just drove past this now on our way to another one. I wish I wasn't eating a boiled sweet as I started filming, but it was like unexpected, so... Let's have a little bit of a closer look. Oh, it's a friggin' tractor and I'm standing right there. Oh, please don't see me. I don't think this farm is in use at all. Oh, shit and hell, he's gone over there now. And he's, I'm not moving a second. Ironic, innit? A deserted farm and the tractor goes past. Let's have a little look around the side where he's going. Sounds very close, doesn't he? Wait a minute. I'm just looking in the corner. Oh, he's gone over there, look. There we are. That's okay. Shit, there's a lot of equipment. Oh, Christ. See again? I nearly fell again. That's what I'm like. I'm not going under here. Look at that. That looks really... What is it? It's like, if it was on the ground, it's almost like them battery hens, you know? I can take some photos of it. I really don't know what that is up there. I would just go under a little bit. Let's have a look. Can you see all that? Innit, doesn't it look like... I don't know, is that what battery hens would be? I really haven't got a clue. So if it's totally the opposite of what I'm saying, let me know in the comments and say, Tony, you're dull as a brush. Okay, I don't want to go over there because it's too in view. Just another bound of there anyway. So let's have a look at the house that was around the side. Okay, let's have a look here. I like places that are really deserted and there ain't any houses close by. You can't always find that. Look at that up there. I don't actually know what I'm filming. The light is shining so bad on this plastic phone case that I've got. Here we go, we'll go for here. This is quite a busy big farm, really. There we go. There's somewhere over there, right? That building over there. I don't know if it's like battery laying hens, but it's up on the bloody roof, but it looks like that's where they would keep them. If you can work out what it is, let me know, because I haven't got a clue. That's what it looks like to me. This looks like where I don't know. They would catch chickens or something. And it is brilliant looking around this, because this wasn't planned. Okay, so let's have a little look in here now. I love to go in the house and sort of see features that are left. Obviously this has had a fire. Oh look, that would have been someone's fireplace. That's where the stairs would have been. Look at that. I hope the fire was not when people were living here. Look at that. When you see things like that, you realise how old this farmhouse was, you know. It's amazing what you can tell by a fireplace. Another one. I think this is a sort of, is it 1940s? 1940s, 1950s sort of fireplace. I'm sure there's something very similar to that in St Fagans. I'm trying to keep my filming down because there's big pictures of on the walls. So yeah, let's have a little look. We climbed through thorns just now, right, brambles, and you know me and my brambles, and there's some sticking in my bloody legs. I'll probably be feeling them now all the way home. Red stable door. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, look at this. Oh. Another one. This is an upstairs, but there are no stairs left in it. It's totally gone. This was an extra surprise, this was, so chucked to bits here. That's two locations now out of 5, I think, that we've had joy with, so oh, fair play. Oh, yeah, nearly fell over a brick. Oh, Della. Yeah, if anyone can guess what them little cages were, maybe they can be lowered. Sure to God they wouldn't keep them up high. I'm baffled by it, and I even dread to think of what they were, you know, conditions they were kept in. Oh, free range eggs all the way. There's a lot of cars going past. It's very noisy, really, really noisy. Let's have a look at that. I'd love to go upstairs, but I don't know. I'm never going to get up there. I'm trying to see now if I can put my selfie stick up there. Let's have a little look and see. What does it look like up there? I don't know. I've got a clue what the hell I'm filming, so bear with me. Jeez. Jesus, how many times have I nearly tripped over something now? Come on. A lot of graffiti here again. Christ, that's old. Look at that. That's incredibly old. I don't think that belonged to the farmer. Oh dear. It's amazing what you actually find on the floor, and half the time that's where I'm looking. So let's see what other treasures are on the floor, is there? I would like to have gone upstairs here, but as you can see, there is no stairs. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a really bad fire, isn't it? Oh. It's like the house that Jack built. There's like stables, farmhouse, a bit more of a farmhouse, more stables. Yeah. Again, back in the house. It is a really, really bad state. Look at that. That's really bad, isn't it? You know, was this set fire upon by, you know, arsonists? Whatever. Or was it an accident in the house or something? Electrical wires. Again, you know, it's the second one we've been to today that's had a fire in. So it's really getting. And the stairs as well. What's left in it. Look at it. That is incredibly bad. The heat in here must have been horrific. Oh, look at that front door. The door seems tiny. Look at that. Looks really, really small. I know, like years ago, even like the cottages in St. Falcon's, they're small. So I don't know. There, look at that. You can still see the wallpaper with birds on as well. Look at that. Seeing things like that left in a farmhouse. Oh, it's amazing. Look. Oh, that is stunning, isn't it? I'm trying to not get a shadow on there. They obviously love birds. It almost looks like you can feel the pattern, and yeah. It's great to see the wallpaper and stuff on here, innit? I love it. I know. I hope it wasn't when they were living here. It just reminds me of, you know, elderly people would have lived here judging for the fire grate and stuff. So I think that's it for this abandoned farm ruins. As I said, we were just passing. What? Oh, let's go then. Right, okay, if you enjoyed this video then, if you want to give a thumbs up and subscribe, that would be fantastic. Thanks again, you crazy bunch, if you enjoyed this video.